Matt Eppers here, Grand Design Transcend Product Manager. Excited to introduce you to our brand new floor plan, the 24BHX here in the Transcend Explorer. I'm going to give you guys the top 5 features on what makes this floor plan unique. Excited, check out your dealer lots, it'll be rolling to them here in April. Here on the exterior, really excited for the full pass-through storage. You'll notice a big baggage door on both sides, magnetic door latches for you, that way they're not plastic, not breaking. It's a nice finish off, but really excited on the off-door side. We have that universal docking station, great for fresh water fill, cable input, solar disconnect and connect. And speaking of this solar and 24BHX, 600 watts prep standard, 30 amp solar controller prep, and a big one 2000 watt inverter prep standard on this new 24BHX. Another thing you'll see on the exterior is the JBL Entertainment. You have an exterior speaker for you, one on the outside, one on the inside with a JBL head unit. It's multi-zonal, so you can play inside, outside, or both. Really nice, sharp, crisp, clean sound. Other feature here is we come into the kitchen, right in the entry door. You'll notice the shoe nook storage. Great to get the family shoes out of the way. Great for luggage, and there's 2 drawers up top, great for electronics, right next to the countertop with the dedicated outlet for you. As we move deeper into the kitchen, a feature we're really excited about is that dedicated trash can storage. Pulls right out from under the sink. It's right there as you're prepping food, cooking. Nice countertop that's seamless over the top, so you don't got to worry about that warping. And of course, the trash can comes out for you. Very easy to use. Excited for this feature. A nice feature for our furry friends as we get here under the refrigerator is a dedicated dog drawer or cat, whatever that pet may be. But great, they're removable, plastic, so again, good for water, good for food. If you don't need them, you can take them out. Use this as another hidden little storage drawer down underneath. But a nice detail, as we know those pets are part of the family as well. Popping into the bedroom, one thing that'll make this floor plan really special is a true 60x80 queen bed. That's not a short RV queen, that's a true queen that you'd have in your house at home. That makes it a lot easier for our taller campers or buying sheets or anything that you may want to outfit your Transcend with. Easy to do on a 60x80 queen. Looking deep past the queen, you'll see CPAP storage, you'll see phone storage, dedicated outlets, USBs all right there for you, with hanging, folding storage on your right and on your left, kind of rod storage for you, with gas struts under the bed to get that up and utilize that storage as well. Great features, private bedroom in this 24BHX, and something that helps makes us different. Alrighty guys, hope you enjoyed those top 5 features. We could go on and on. There's a lot we could talk about, but we want to get you out. Look for us on our dealers' lots. The 24BHX brand new floor plan and our Transcend Explorer lineup. They'll be shipping to our dealers here in April. Keep an eye out. We're really excited for you. Low MSRP, lightweight, something that's going to be great for our campers this summer.